This demonstration we're going to look at repairing Exchange database corruption, and to do that we're going to use the Exchange management shell to use the new -mailbox repair request. This utility replaces ISINTEG that we had in previous versions of Microsoft Exchange. The advantage of doing this is we don't need to take the database offline. So in order to run the commandlet, I'm in my Exchange management shell, and what I'm going to do here is I've found that Mailbox for Christine has been corrupted. So what we want to do is we just want to put in a mailbox repair request. So what I'll do is just clear the screen. So we've got our new -mailbox repair request. We're going to do it on Mailbox Christine. We're looking for corruption type in these following folders: provision folder, search folder, aggregate accounts, and folder view. So we'll hit return at this point here. It's now going to go away and hopefully repair Christine's mailbox. So fairly quick. Next thing we'll do here is we'll just come into our admin tools and into Event Viewer. And within Event Viewer, what we're looking for, we're just looking for some logs to show us that it has actually repaired the corruption. So we'll just come into Windows Logs and into Application Logs. And within our application logs, what we need to do, just pull this across a little bit. And what we can see is we've had repair done on our Exchange mailbox. Right, so just back to the management shell. Next thing we're going to do here is we're just going to put in another fix, but this time not for an individual user. We're now going to do a mailbox repair request on a database rather than an individual user mailbox. So we'll just clear the screen. So this time we're going to do it against the database. Same commands, but we're going to detect only rather than do a repair. So again, fairly quick, we've run through that. So in Event Viewer, what we would now do is just check for any corrupted mailboxes. So what we'll do, back to Event Viewer, we'll just do a refresh on this. Nope, no corruption, nothing's popped up there. We'll be looking for event 10062. We haven't found that error, so that means the database was actually intact. Next thing we'll do is we'll just do a database repair against a public folder. So back to the management shell. Okay, so we're going to do a new public folder database repair request against the database, public folder database 1. The corruption we expect we have is replication. So we'll hit enter. So we've done through this. Now what we would do here is we'll just go into Event Viewer yet again. And what we'd be looking for here, if we do a refresh, we'd be looking for event ID 10048. So we haven't got a problem here. So we're happy with all of this occurring and working correctly. So we've run the database corruption repair commandlets against the user, mailbox database, and a public folder database. Thanks very much.